Travel by plane. First, go to a travel agency to get your ticket, or book it online. You may get a one-way flight or a round-trip flight. Go to the airport and ask for a trolley. Stand in the line. Go to baggage drop-off. Remove your metal stuff. Go through security. Find departure screen and find your flight number through screen. Deliver your luggage. Attach the baggage tag. Show your passport. Get your boarding pass. Find your gate and show your boarding pass. Board the plane. Flight attendant shows your seat. You may have window seat, middle seat,
or all seat.
Put your bags in overhead storage. Pilot is in the cockpit. Before takeoff, move your seat to upright position. Fasten your seat belt. During the flight, you will be served by flight attendants. There may be turbulence and bad weather. Before landing, again move your seat to upright position. When approach the airport, you may see tower control, runway, or marshaller. Disembark the plane. Go to baggage claim and get your baggage. Hope you don't get a jet lag and sleep well.
Please do not forget to subscribe us. And thank you for watching.